Hi everyone, welcome to Arctic Technologies. Today we are going to unbox and assemble a Ubiquity Lightbeam 5 AC Gen 2 receiver. Okay, so in the box we have this. These are we have this. These are the reflectors of the antenna. Then we have the horn. Then we have clips. Then we have the connector. Then we have the back tool, back portion. Then we have the connector for pole mounting. Then we have a conversion tool. Okay, so now these reflectors of the antenna. Let me just open. Okay. The reflectors of the antenna. We have the middle part. This one, it has a hole in the middle where the horn is supposed to fit. Then we have this side plates. So they fit into the middle part. Just like this. Then the other side you also fit the side plate to the middle. And there we have the reflectors. It's complete. This is how it looks like. And next we have the back portion. It comes next. It's supposed to fit here. So you're supposed to put it this. Then you slide it to the top. There, like that. It has a lid. It is supposed to protect it from water because it's mounted outside. Then, yeah, that's the back portion. Fits into the receivers, reflectors like this. Then we have next we have the horn. The horn is supposed to fit now into the back portion. The horn consists of the 45 connector and the reset button. So it's supposed to fit into this. You put it like that. There you have it. So that at the back now the 45 connector and the reset button, they can be seen from here. Then the lid, then this hole is where the cable is supposed to pass through. Then next we have the connector for pole mounting. This one is supposed to connect to the back like this. Yeah, so that it can allow for this movement. It's supposed to fit on the pole, so yeah. Then from there we have the conversion tool. It fits into the other part like this. Yeah. Then now this clip is used now to connect it now onto the pole, and we also have other screws and other tighteners into the pack. Yes, that is the complete receiver. That's how it's supposed to look like when it's complete. Yes. Thank you guys. Bye.